Partner yoga changes everything the moment you stop practicing alone. The instant your movement depends on someone else, yoga transforms into shared awareness and connection. It becomes more than flexibility or balance. Strength becomes mutual, trust becomes essential. Even the simplest movement gains a new dimension of depth and purpose. Most people experience yoga as a solo journey. A mat, a pose, a single breath. But partner yoga introduces a dynamic entirely different from this. The moment you introduce a partner, everything shifts. Every stretch demands communication. Every balance requires cooperation. Every breath asks for synchronization between two bodies. You are no longer moving independently. Instead, you respond, adjust, and flow with someone else. That shared presence changes the intensity of every pose. In partner yoga, strength is no longer isolated. Leaning into a counterbalance pose activates your core in ways solo practice simply cannot achieve. Stabilizer muscles engage automatically. Your body adapts to shifting weight and alignment. You are not just holding a posture, you are responding to another human being. Flexibility evolves in tandem with support. Assisted stretches allow a gradual, controlled depth impossible to reach alone, safely creating more space in your muscles. A partner can guide your alignment, ensuring stability while extending your reach. This practice is not about forcing range, but expanding intelligently through mutual support. But the physical benefits are only part of the story. Partner yoga also strengthens awareness, patience, and attentiveness, developing skills that extend far beyond the mat. You begin to notice small adjustments, a change in pressure, a subtle shift in balance, a slight variation in breath. These signals teach you to respond thoughtfully. Sensitivity improves coordination, timing, and control. You learn to anticipate and adjust rather than react. Every movement becomes deliberate, every interaction mindful and engaged. And then there is trust. When you rely on someone to support your weight in a challenging pose, trust becomes non-negotiable. Confidence becomes essential. Hesitation creates instability. Commitment creates flow. This dynamic builds a unique connection rooted in responsibility, cooperation, and shared effort between two people moving as one. Communication becomes essential. Sometimes it is verbal, a simple instruction or encouragement. Often it is silent, a subtle shift, a breath, a micro movement signaling readiness. Over time, these signals become intuitive. You stop overthinking and start moving as one. Synchronization emerges naturally, creating a rhythm between two bodies that feels effortless. Breathing together regulates the nervous system. Moving together sharpens focus. Staying present reduces distraction. Partner yoga demands attention, keeping your mind fully engaged and your body fully alive. You cannot drift mentally when someone else depends on your awareness. Presence becomes automatic, and the act of movement becomes a shared meditation, grounded in trust and focus. Shared challenge builds bonds unlike any other. When you attempt a new pose together, struggle together, and finally succeed together, a momentum of connection is created. Even small victories feel amplified because they are experienced jointly. Encouragement, adjustment, and celebration of progress enhance the experience far beyond individual practice. Partner yoga is not just about complex poses. Beginners can engage fully with back-to-back stretches, simple balances, and coordinated breathing exercises. Building connection without advanced skill. Over time, strength improves, flexibility increases, balance stabilizes, coordination sharpens. But something deeper develops as well: patience, empathy, awareness, and cooperation, qualities that extend beyond the mat. Partner yoga transforms exercise into interaction, replacing isolation with collaboration, routine with engagement, and passive stretching with dynamic, mindful connection. It reminds you that growth does not always have to be individual. Progress can be shared, strength can be mutual, stability can be built together. In a world focused on individual performance, partner yoga provides a different model, one grounded in alignment, communication, trust, and conscious awareness of another person. Practicing together strengthens muscles, deepens stretches, sharpens focus, and develops mindfulness, creating benefits that are physical, emotional, and relational all at once. The rhythm of shared movement teaches cooperation. The synchronization of breath cultivates patience. The shared effort deepens trust, creating a bond stronger than any pose alone could offer. Every session becomes a combination of challenge, play, and presence. Laughter, effort, and shared success create an experience that motivates you to return again and again. Whether for fitness, flexibility, or connection, partner yoga transforms your practice. It pushes your body and mind while creating a shared experience of focus, growth, and trust. It is an opportunity to engage fully with another person, improving strength, flexibility, and coordination while deepening awareness, presence, and connection. If you found this valuable and want more content that helps you build strength, improve mobility, and train smarter, subscribe to the channel and stay connected.